So we're now here at the second level of the mall here at NUSTAR. So there are, over there you can see a jeweler, and over here you can see Bulgari, I Society, Tom Ford, eyewear. There is Seoul Republic opening this October. So this is what the second floor looks like. Over there is a restaurant by Nonki, the Japanese restaurant that we all know. This one is another brand called Koshima. It's opening very soon. So the Cafe Laguna opened today. So that's their store over there, looking really nice. So you can see the sign here. They have Premier Cinemas. The convention center of Philly Hotel is over there. Philly Hotel, and then the NUSTAR Hotel. So the cinema is going to be over there. So this is Cafe Laguna. And over there, I heard it's going to be a Korean or shabu shabu restaurant. So below is the LV store, Louis Vuitton, and that one is the Philly Hotel Convention Center. So sumpay ra siya sa convention center sa Philly Hotel, which is very convenient. So if you go down the escalator, you turn left, ato na ka sa lobby sa Philly Hotel. Okay? So that's what the mall looks like so far. And there's another floor above. So let's take a quick peek. So naka-board up pa siya. So very exciting. Saka ang mga next stores to open here. So I asked around, food hall din na siya sa taas. So later this year pa or maybe next year pa na siya open. Okay, so that's the convention center. Look at the main foyer area of the convention center. Very nice. Grabe ang view sa Mactan Channel ba na? Oh, di ba? Sus ka nice. Pwede nindota. The fountain is on. Oh. Di ba? So the village katong sa mga workers na-tear down na. Almost completely gone na gid. So wala na yung mga housing units. So nalimpyo na siya, clear na siya. And yeah, parts of Cordova. You can see over there. Cordova ba na sakto? Okay, makita man ang bridge ang Silex. And there's the swimming pool of Philly Hotel. So yeah. So this is Philly Hotel and the mall here at NUSTAR Resort and Casino at the South Road Properties.